Hello people, it's again my CF 550. It has 2600 kilometers on. Now I have some problems. When I start the engine, when it's heat on, it starts to smoke. I don't know what is it. Today we're gonna see. Now I'll show you. It starts to smoke from the seat, from the right side on the seat. I think that something's dropping exhaust system. It will take time to get hot, and then the smoke comes from here and here. I'm gonna show the smoke, then I'm going to open this side to see is something dropping exhaust or what is the problem. I don't have another problems. It's serving good, but we're gonna see what's happening here. Now I don't know if you can see the smoke coming from this part. You see, there now is smoke. It smells on plastic. I think that someone's dropped on the exhaust, and it's melting, and it's. We will open this side, and we will get see what is it. Engine is clean, no oil leakings, no nothing, no problems, but it smokes. Probably something fell down. Now I'm gonna take down this sheet from exhaust, and I hope so that something is falling, and we will see what is in and what smells so ugly. I hope that is some plastic. Okay. I think I found what's causing the problem. It's some kind aluminium foil, or is, you see, it's burned, it's trashing. I think it's protection from the tank fuel. I think, look at it. You see, it's just ashes. I think that was the cause of the smoke. Whew. It's good. It's good. Now I'm gonna start the engine, hit it again, and see is there any smoke from this side where it was before. The exhaust, and then we will see it's smoke or not. No, nothing. It was that foil. It's from the tank, or I don't know where it's fall out, and it's burning and smelling and smoking. Now when I take this plastic, I'm gonna see in what condition is my transmission. I take the cover and belt and everything else. Clutch and belt look good. It's so good. No problems. It's just dirty belt. Probably is slipping and it's falling off these little pieces, dust of belt. Start the engine to see. Some weird sound. good. No damage at all. Everything is perfect. No smoke. Felt good. Okay. Good. Now I will put the little grease on cover because I don't have a new gasket. I put grease on old gasket, then it prevents the water going the grease all and damage the rollers and this. And I'm gonna turn it back where it was. Then I will put the plastics on, everything tight, and I go and test ride. I think this will be good. Okay, that's it all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry on my English. That's it. Thank you. See you in next video.